Hi, John McElroy here, talking all things automotive. Today, we're talking from the shop floor of a company called Cinetic in Farmington Hills, Michigan. It's a company that makes automation for the automotive industry. And I'm talking with the CEO, Marco Andriano, and Sherry Lizette, who is the head of HR for the company. And Marco, one of the things I gotta ask you about is, it seems to me like business is booming for the company. You know, is it really? What can you tell us about how business is going?
Right. Thank you, John. Thank you for your time, first of all, and welcome to our facility in Farmington Hills. Yes, as you can see from the floor, we are pretty busy. The market is booming. The market is booming. Our customers are keep investing, and consequently, we are trying to grow with our customer.
Talk about growing. You have opened a facility in Mexico. You've also opened a facility in Sterling Heights, Michigan, which is not all that far from here, but on the other side of town. Why are you expanding so much?
Yes, you're right. We opened in March a brand new facility in Mexico to support our Mexico customer. And we opened just recently a facility in Sterling Heights to grow our capacity to support our customer. Why in Sterling Heights? Because we believe in Sterling Heights we can attract more talent, more engineering living in that side of the town.
Sherry, you need to hire a whole bunch of people. I mean, everywhere I go, I hear that getting people is really hard to do. Are you running into the same problem?
I would say yes. We are. We have to be creative with our recruiting. The nice thing is that our reputation has made it such that people are coming to us and wanting to join our team. We have really great people on board, and our employees are helping us by singing praises about the company and wanting people that they know, professionals they've worked with in the past, to join them and join our team. And so thankfully, the word is getting out.
What kind of skills are you looking for in the people that you want to go after?
We're really focusing primarily right now on engineering, mechanical engineering, controls engineering, and project management are my first focus at the moment.
So it's one thing to get people with skills. I imagine you really want to get people with the right kind of attitude or aptitude. You know, go into that a little bit. You know, what quality of person are you looking for, not just on the skill level?
Right, so for sure we need the skills, but almost more importantly is the character of the people. People that are willing to work with others, are really concerned about making the customer happy and doing all of the right things, working together, brainstorming, collaborating. People that may recognize, hey, this is a problem, and instead of just saying, here's the problem, solve it for me, they're saying, here's the problem, but what about XYZ? Or we have this recommendation. People that want to be part of the solution, part of the conversation, and really have that team spirit to do what it takes to work with your fellow employee to make the customer happy.
Marco, when people apply for a job at a company, they want to know that there's stability there and you know that the future looks good. What's the order book look like for the company? I mean, if somebody were to come hire in here over the next few years, how does the business look for Fives?
So the business today is good. What we see is the next 2-3 years we're going to be a growing business more and more. So this is why we need to be able to support our customer, be able to have the right horsepower in terms of people, in terms of attitude, like Sherry said, and in terms of skills. And we'll not exclude that in the near future we can open another facility in Detroit town area.
Very good. So let me just sort of recap this for everybody watching. Business is booming, the company is expanding, you really need people, especially on the engineering and project management side, but you want people with the right attitude, the go-getters who love the challenge of going after any kind of a problem.
Exactly.
Absolutely.
That's great. Well, great. Marco, Sherry, thanks so much for explaining what's going on at the company and the opportunities that exist here.
Thank you, John.
Thank you, John. you.